So some of these constant of proportionality problems can be challenging. Um, and it can be a little challenging to figure out exactly what's being asked here. But in this particular case, we've got Amelia, and she has used 6 liters of gasoline to drive 48 kilometers. So the question is, how many kilometers did she drive per liter? Um, so let's see if we can let's see if we can get started on that. So 6 liters of gasoline for 48 kilometers. So the question there was, how many kilometers did she drive per liter? So if we're going to try to make liters 1, we want to know, we want it to get to 1 liter. And what would we need to do in order to do that? Well, we would need to divide this by 6, because 6 divided by 6 is 1, but we have to do that to both sides of the equation. So that would cause this, that would change that to 1, and then in order to figure, so for every liter, we need to take 48 kilometers and divide that by 6, and that's going to be 8 kilometers for every liter. So the next question is, how many liters does it take to drive 1 kilometer? How many liters does it take to drive 1 kilometer? Well, now we need kilometers. Now we need kilometers to be 1. And how do we do that? Well, we're going to divide both sides of this equation by 8. So we will do that, and for every kilometer, she will need 1/8 of a liter. So for every kilometer, she will need 1/8 of a liter.